Today we're going to show you how to repair a door handle on a 2000 BMW E46. Okay, you'll recognize the problem when you try to open the door and the door doesn't catch. So you'll need a 5mm Allen wrench, and your access is right under this shield. And your screw is right in here. You can go ahead and zoom in then.
Okay.
So we remove the screw. You can pause it. Okay, then we can remove the lock assembly, or on the passenger side, like I have here, just the end cap assembly. And so you have your normal door handle right here. Next, you're going to remove the handle. Now the handle just pivots about the inside, and so it can push off this way. Just like this. So a typical BMW E46 handle looks like this, where it pivots about this side, and normally if it's moving around in there and it's not catching anything at all, it's because this piece of plastic is broken off. That's a common problem with the E46. With this car, we've got this intact. All we need to do is to adjust the lever assembly. So this first lever is the main actuator. This one behind it is a spring-loaded actuator that the handle engages with the paw. So for this door, all I need to do is take this lever and bend it in towards the actuator. You can see my finger coming up against the lever here, and then behind it's the primary actuator. And on this door handle, I can actually get my finger in between the lever and the primary actuator. There's too much space in this section. That's the tab that we're going to bend in towards the primary actuator, in towards the car. Okay, so with the window in the up position, we're going to go ahead and take our flathead screwdriver, and we're going to get it down as low as we can on the lever itself. And then we can use a rubber mallet and do light taps while pushing on it to bend that tab in. Then you can reach behind and pull the actuator to see if we were out far enough to cause the door to open. So I'm going to bend this one in a little bit more. Okay, so I put the seal back on. We're going to put the handle back in the door. Now the handle slides in, but you've got to reach in and grab the primary actuator and pull it back so it can snap into the paw on the door handle. Now our door handle is installed. I'm going to use a 1/4" drill bit to open up the hole. This is plastic material, so it will drill out easy. And then I'm going to reinstall the mounting screw. It may help when installing the screw to take a screwdriver and get behind the bracket and pry it outwards to steer the bolt into the hole at an angle. Okay, so we finished tightening up our screw. We snap our cover back in place. And you'll notice now that you don't have any play in the door handle.